Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a squeegee again today. This canvas is a 60 by 80 centimeters, and as you can see, I first prepared it with the black base coat, and now I am squeegeeing titanium white as the first layer, and then I let it dry, because I didn't want the white to mix with the other colors that I used on there. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And last but not least, leave a comment. I will respond to comments on the video. But yeah, as you see, I just squeegeed the white titanium from Amsterdam, excuse me, and I'm showing you in normal speed here. I will be speeding it up. This video took, I think, would just be without the white on here. With just the colors, I think that my video was 1.5 hours long or something. So yeah, I will definitely be speeding most of it up. But yeah, I hope that you really enjoy this. I will not be talking much more. All the colors will be shown on the screen. Just enjoy, and you all have a great day. Oh, no, what I wanted to say was this Rust-Oleum that I used here turned out to be a little too thin. I've never used it before, so yeah, it was the first time that I tried it. As you can see, it practically covers the canvas, which it's not supposed to do in this type of painting. So that's one thing to definitely bear in mind if you're trying to do this. Do not use the thin paints. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Enjoy.